I look pretty scary right now.
This episode is brought to you by Secret Active. New Secret Active provides protection in the moments when it matters most.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Get Jacked.
Last time we were here, we became professional acrobats in the circus. Today, we're gonna be boxers.
Have you ever boxed before?
A little bit, here and there.
Oh, that's cool. Well, today we're here at Prevail Boxing and we're about to become professional boxers.
Let's get jacked.
Let's go. Hi, how are you? I'm Joslyn.
What's up? I'm Rob.
I'm Jarrett, hello.
What's up? What brings you guys to Prevail?
We want more concussions.
I think
Excellent.
we're supposed to become professional boxers.
Professional boxers,
Yeah,
excellent.
yeah.
You guys look very ready to go already.
I feel ready to kill.
Okay, cool. This might be a fun time for us.
So excited about it.
Okay, well, first thing, hand wraps. You're gonna need those. Those are gonna protect your wrists. Gloves are very important too in boxing.
Excellent.
We don't want bloody knuckles.
No.
Right.
It looks kind of cool though.
Gym is that way. Let's get to work.
Let's do
right.
it.
Hey guys, very happy to have you guys here at Prevail.
Thank you.
I know you guys want to get a good boxing workout in and learn how to become professional boxers, but
Right.
first we gotta start with the fundamentals, which would be proper stance and how to throw our punches correctly.
Okay.
Right?
There's our basics. I'm
If you
sure we
say
can start
so.
with.
We're gonna be
Yeah,
basic
right.
right now. Cool, let's face the
Track.
mirror, guys.
All right, let's
So,
do it.
We're gonna get into our boxing stances. First, we're gonna start feet shoulder width apart. Take a step forward with your left foot, and then the right foot out to the right, about a half step, and bend your knees. Think of those as your shock absorbers. We're gonna keep our back hand in right here, like we're holding a telephone. Front hand is gonna be right here. First line of defense, second line of defense. Jab is our first punch.
Yeah.
Okay, it's your left hand, throw it straight out and right back. And exhale with that punch. Boom! And then cross. Good. Pivot that back foot on the cross. Beautiful.
So this
Love
is
the
a
sound
jab and
effects.
a cross.
That's it. Those are the
Yeah,
two most basic punches.
Professional.
So 1, 2, just like that. We're also going to be throwing a hook in our workout today.
Okay.
So hook. We rotate our hip, pivot your front foot. That was perfect.
Boom.
You sure
I
you've done this
mean,
before?
I feel like
Well,
when things aren't meant to
maybe.
be, they really just are.
I think they're meant
Natural
to be. in this
fighter,
case.
Joslyn Davis.
I think they're
I've
meant
never
to
been
be.
in a fight in my life.
Jab, cross, hook, cross. Let's all throw that together.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Beautiful. Slip, slip.
Oh, I like
front
that
shoulder
part.
down, back shoulder down.
Yeah.
This way we don't get hit. We come up top with a jab, jab, cross.
Oh, that's a lot. This is like choreography.
It is.
It's like dancing.
And a kick
So we
ball
have stuff ready
chain.
to go. Let's get loose.
Get loose.
And from there, we're gonna hit something called Loma twist. Staying light on the feet. We're kind of loosening up those rotational muscles in the hips. From there, we're gonna do cross jacks. Boom.
Whoa.
This one takes a
This
little
is
Already
bit of
getting
coordination.
complicated.
There we go.
This is choreography.
I'm already tired. Is that a
Feeling
bad
tired
sign?
already? Plant the feet. Boxing stance. Straight punches. Loosen up those arms.
Okay.
Make sure you're exhaling with every single punch that you throw. Excellent. High the tiger. Take
is
it
it
into
about?
hooks. Pivot one foot each hook. Always remember to keep one hand up by your chin.
That protects your face.
Somewhat.
Some of it.
There you go. And straight up the middle. We didn't learn these yet.
Oh,
I think you'll
ooh.
get the hang of it.
Okay.
Uppercuts. Uppercuts. Keep them close to your body. Move your hips. Okay, now we're going to take it into something called boxer twist. We're already in our boxing stance.
Okay.
I'm going to lunge forward.
Oof.
And then lunge straight back.
Oh.
Whoa.
Really charge
Footwork happening
Little
here.
Those
pivot.
rotational muscles.
Woo.
If I wanted to, I could throw a cross and then a hook going backwards.
Oh, a cross.
Exaggerated.
Got
And
it.
a hook going
Got
backwards.
it. Hook.
Yes.
Start. Fast speed.
Oh, fast speed.
Chatters. Chatters as fast as you can go.
Chatters? They're not doing, I'm trying to make them go faster.
Faster.
Like they're,
Twinkle those toes.
Here we go.
Let me see those toes twinkle.
Excellent.
I'm a maniac, maniac.
And pop spots. One more time. Here we go. 10 more seconds. Here
Come
we
on,
go.
10
Excellent.
seconds. You can do anything for 10 seconds.
That is absolutely correct.
That's excellent. I love that. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Breathe.
Champions already.
We're gonna head right into our circuit.
Okay.
We're gonna start over here at station number 1. We're in 10 seconds, guys. Okay, let's get our good boxing stances.
Okay.
Elbows
Yeah.
in nice and tight.
Yeah.
We're gonna start out with straight punches, which are the jabs and crosses. Make sure we reach full extension in 3,
Oh,
2,
here we go.
1. Let's go. Non-stop
Ooh, ooh.
straight punches. Feel it out. Make sure you're exhaling with every single punch you throw. And bounce, bounce, hands up. We're just bouncing in our stance, nice and light, using this time to recover.
Love it.
Inhale and reset. Big deep breath before we hit uppercuts. Let's go, uppercuts,
Oh.
come on. Nice
Is it
and low
supposed to
in
be
the back.
moving?
Excellent, just like that, yes. There we go. Try to hit with a flat portion of your fist and drive those punches right into the bag. Excellent, you guys are doing
Jarrett,
great.
wow!
He's kicking butt. Oh, kicking butt. And bounce, bounce, bounce,
Oh my
hands
gosh.
up. Hands up. Use this time to reset. We've got 2 seconds. 3, 2, and hooks. Hooks. This is where we put the power on. We're throwing hooks to the head, hooks to the body. I think we got a knockout artist on our hands. Keep our elbows in tight. Big hooks. Jeez, please. I think someone was a former fighter at one point.
Oh my gosh.
And exhale.
Are you?
Love those.
Okay, guys, station number 2. This is where we're going to work on our combo of the day, the one we rehearsed earlier during the warm-up.
Great.
We're throwing jab, cross, hook, cross, slip, slip. Start with that. Let's go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
Jab, cross,
Oh,
hook,
just
cross,
go.
slip, slip.
Jab, cross,
Let's hit it.
hook, cross, slip, slip.
Let's add a jab, jab, cross at the end of that. So we have jab, cross, hook,
Jab,
cross, slip, slip. 1, 1, 2. Here we go.
Jab, cross, hook, cross.
Here we go. That's what's up. There we go. Okay, let's add the weave. Power cross at the end, because we know we want to knock them out.
We're gonna knock him out. Jab, cross, no.
Weave,
Hook,
boom,
cross,
kill shot. Here we go.
this,
Slip, slip,
slip, slip.
jab, jab, cross. Weave
Oh no! Oh, so many
Boom.
words.
All right, guys. Now that we've just crushed it at station number 2,
Great.
Woo!
throwing a successful combo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
We're doing okay. We're glistening. We're looking good.
Glove love. Give me some
Glove
glove
love.
love.
Glove love, yeah.
Glove love, love.
We're heading over here to station number 3. It's a core station. We got to tighten up the belly.
That's
if
right.
we want to take punches, we got to be able to
Get it
take
right.
punches.
Let's
Get
do
it tight.
So let's go over here, guys.
Okay.
Let's start making our way.
Over here.
Yeah, it's really far.
What a journey.
All right, guys. Now it's time for us to work our abdominals.
Love
We're gonna
the
throw
core.
punches. We got to be able to take punches.
Yeah.
So let's get on our butts.
Yeah,
Let's go.
okay, great.
Are we
We're
gonna
start-
Oh, I thought we were just gonna punch each other.
Do professional boxers get hit a lot in the stomach?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Especially if they have bad defense. Yes.
Oh,
That's
great.
me.
Right. Now we're gonna hit some oblique twists.
Okay.
Working
Do we
those
go like this?
rotational muscles. Make sure your whole torso rotates. It might be a good idea to cross the feet too.
Okay.
Oh,
Just
cross
like
them?
that. Excellent.
In the air
For
like
an
that?
added challenge, bring those feet in the air.
It makes it way
There
harder.
we go. Keep moving. Keep
Oh,
moving.
this is like Pilates.
Oh my
Is it really?
god, you and your
Okay.
Pilates.
I'm
So
telling you.
easy. You're like, this is easy.
Oh
You're
my
doing great.
gosh.
Well, that's right.
Boom,
We
boom.
gotta get ready for Coachella.
Coachella pod.
Here we
Is
go.
there a lot
Coming for you.
Is there a lot of fighting at Coachella?
There's a lot of crop tops. So many crop tops. I need to get my core straight.
Excellent job, guys.
Killer.
We're moving along to the next station.
All right, let's
Love
do
it.
Let's go.
Core tight, money right.
Do you want to try?
Yeah. That's
Do
good.
you
I
want
like
to let
that.
me try to punch you to see what it's like?
Yes, I do.
Okay, hold it in.
Okay. Oh, gimme.
No.
Come on. No, give me a shot.
1, 2, 3.
Oh boy.
No, give me a shot.
I don't wanna hurt
Just
myself.
let me see. Let me just see.
Okay.
Just
One.
give me 50%.
Really?
You can use the hook. You can use the hook.
No, I'm gonna use this one. I don't want to hurt
Well,
you.
that's not gonna hurt.
1,
Jab.
2, 3.
Yeah, that's
she got the
fine. You're being nice. You're being
Look
nice.
out.
Cool. All right, guys, we're at station number 4. This is where
Cool.
we're gonna throw our combo of the day, the same one we worked on station number 2.
Okay.
I've been practicing
So let's get in a
it.
fighting stance.
Okay.
While you're waiting,
All
we're
right.
bouncing our stance.
Bouncing.
But when we throw, we
Bouncing.
set our feet in the
Okay,
ground.
ready?
Jab, cross, hook, cross.
Okay, jab, cross, hook, cross.
Slip, slip. Jab, jab, cross.
Jab, jab, cross.
Weave.
Woo!
Down,
Oh!
down.
Get in there,
Okay,
get in there.
okay.
All right.
You got it.
Oh, it could be better. Could be
That
better.
was
Okay,
so
okay.
fast.
Crisp it up. Crisp it up.
1, 2, 3, 2. Slip, slip. Jab, jab, cross. Weave.
Oh,
Phew,
this
okay,
is
okay.
hard.
Ready?
Yeah.
Street fight style.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Oh, that felt bad.
Glove love.
Very nice, guys. Now we're moving along.
Okay.
To station number 5.
Ready for
This one's
it.
gonna push your endurance a little bit.
Do you see how hardcore we are?
Yeah, I feel hardcore.
Are you ready? Actually, that's a bad question. You are.
Yeah, he's like very ready.
All right, Jarrett, Josh, we're at
Okay.
station number 5.
Okay.
This one's called the mini burn.
All right.
I want you guys to get all this stuff done within a minute. All right, so I want you to push the pace. First thing, 5 boxer burpees. We go down, push
Ooh.
up, come up into boxing stance. 5 of those.
Okay.
10 of these, boxer jump squats, hands are up. And then 30 jumping jacks as fast as you can push
Whoa,
yourself.
all
Okay.
in 1 minute. We have to do it in
All
a
in
minute.
1 minute,
One
I'm gonna
minute.
start the clock.
We can do it.
We got it.
We
We
got
got it.
it.
Glove love. Glove love. Okay.
Okay.
Starting in 3, 2, 1, let's get it done, come on. Punch yourself, Jeff, come on.
Yeah. Glove love.
Quick, 5 seconds to spare, you guys are animals.
Easy.
I can't.
Whatever.
Is that? Be real.
It's pretty good.
Is that hard?
It's
okay.
It's okay. But then we up the number of stuff each round.
Good job.
Love,
Love. Wow.
I'm gonna pay for that.
Okay guys, last station. This one's gonna be our footwork station. You gotta be good on your feet if you're gonna box, getting in and out, controlling the distance with your opponent. So, elbows are gonna be in. We're gonna work at 15-second intervals.
All right.
First thing we're doing is stepping in, jab, cross, stepping out, cross.
Cross.
And then when I say go, we're gonna hit Heisman's. 2 feet in, draw the knee up, opposite elbow to opposite knee, okay? Let's get in our starting position.
All right, great.
Elegant.
Hands are up, hands are up, hands are up.
Eleganza.
Here we go.
Elbow and thumbs up.
Hands are up like we actually mean business.
Business.
I'm not here to play.
Step in, 1, 2,
pump.
step out,
Pump.
2.
in,
pump.
jab, cross, out,
Pump.
cross, non-stop.
Pump.
Okay, non-stop, keep working. Stay light on the feet, on the balls of your feet. Pump and go. Here we go, Heisman's, let's hit it. Come on, fast feet, fast feet. Push yourself.
Look how fast those feet are going.
Faster than you think you are. Come on, non-stop work.
I'm dancing.
Okay, squad, first round was decent.
I love that we're squad.
We're squad.
We gotta go to round 2. We gotta up our game just a little bit.
Yeah.
So ready for
So
it.
let's get to workstation number 1. Let's get after it. Let's go.
Jarrett.
Boxing stances.
Rage, fury, hatred. That's what's missing. Here we go.
Okay, great.
Did I mention this was a speed round?
What?
What?
So let's get to work. Let's go. Come on.
What are we doing?
Here we go. Straight punches. Let's go.
Here we go. Fury.
And bounce. Bounce.
What are we? Oh,
Bounce your
bouncing.
stance. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Prevail.
In boxing stance.
Prevail.
And uppercuts. Nice and tight. Get close to the back.
What are we doing?
Station 2. Working the combo.
Yeah.
Oh, the combo.
This time we can look good. Here we go.
This.
And rotate.
Okay.
Very nice.
Abs.
Taking it to the core station.
All right.
Starting off with oblique twist. Let's go.
Oblique twist.
As fast as you
Oblique
can go.
twist.
Come on. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. All the way down. Let's go. Non-stop. 1, 2, 3, 2, slip, slip. Beautiful. Let's go.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Slip, slip. Jab, jab, cross, wing. Looking good. Mini burn.
Oh, yeah.
Everything in half. Let's go. Don't forget the jumping jacks.
What are we doing? Oh, this
Here we
thing.
go.
I think this is the hardest part.
It is.
Touch those gloves at the top. Here we go.
Okay.
And rotate final station.
Final station.
Here we go. Let's get on the ladders.
Okay.
Oh, this is our team.
Remember, 15-second intervals. We're gonna
I'm
cut
ready.
down half.
Yeah.
Okay.
And go. Step in. 1, 2. Step out. Cross. In. 1, 2. Out. Cross. Boom. Bang. Here we go. And go. Husbands. Here we go. Light on the feet.
How's the feet so fast?
Come on.
How's
Fast.
the feet so fast?
And time.
Oh my gosh. I
Yeah,
feel
that was easy.
like ready for a professional career.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think you're ready.
Thank you so much. I feel like we're well on our way in this boxing journey.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And I can't wait to come back.
Yeah, this
We'd
is
love to
really
have you back. I mean, even I got a little bit of a sweat on.
Hells yeah.
You
I
guys
feel
worked
we've truly
hard.
prevailed
think you
in
did
this
prevail.
workout.
Well, with that being said,
Well, I'll see you guys later, all right?
This episode was brought to you by Secret Active. Elevate your performance with Secret Active. Click left to watch us get electrocuted while we work out. Yeah, that's a thing. Or click right to watch us eat weird food combinations on cheat day.